Let's unbox my WGU clinical bag. And if you've ordered your clinical bag and you are anticipating and waiting on it to come, this is what you will receive. Let's go ahead and open it up. These are the items that will come in your bag. Definitely look at this inventory list and make sure everything that you see on this list is in this bag. Once everything is out, again, you will want to go ahead and check your inventory. Make sure everything is included. If not, contact them on the number that's listed at the bottom of the inventory list. Now, this is how I've organized my supplies. Of course, I have my bag on top. It's completely empty because all of my supplies are right here in the cabinet. And why do I have it like that? Because I have to practice. And this is my practice area. Yes, I know this practice area is probably not the standard practice area for most students, but this is going to help me be able to practice walking into a patient room, bringing the bed down to a safety level, checking the bed wheels, making sure they're locked, doing my, saying my name, all those different things that we always forget when we're practicing skills to be prepared for clinicals. And so this is my practice area. And so this will help me with skills as well as the clinicals before going to both the skills and the clinical rotation. So as soon as your term opens, you want to start practicing right away. And this helps you become extremely comfortable with all of these skills supplies, as well as comfortable with working with these particular tools before your clinicals. So this is everything that comes in my clinical bag and how it can help prepare all of us for both basic skills lab, intermediate skills lab, as well as all of our clinicals in this part of the WGU nursing degree plan. All right. Now that you've seen the clinical supplies, next step is making sure you have the right study plan in place. In the next video, if you're following along in this video series, is going to be how I'm preparing to study for my 4 nursing courses in this term. So if you have any questions, if this has helped you, but you still have a comment or a question about any of these supplies in this video, the inventory list, or anything like that, please feel free to drop your questions and comments below. I'll see if I can, do a video based on your questions or your comments. And I'll see you in the next video.